Hi, I'm Erika Wilson. I'm from the Dalles, Oregon. I own Columbia Laser Skin Center there. We're a med spa. We've been there for 14 years. I am here at the Leap Ahead meeting with Dory. And I got to meet Dory just last month. I met her at the InSPA conference in Maui, and the minute I met Dory, I loved her message. I loved what she had to say. I loved her energy, and I immediately signed up for her Platinum CoachMe program, and I have had no regrets. I have learned so much and have incorporated so much already in such a short period of time into our practice, and I'm loving every minute of it. I was able to make time to be here for the Leap Ahead conference. We've been here for the last 3 days. I am over the moon excited with all the amazing wealth of information that Dory has shared, and I can't wait to get back to our office and to get things implemented. I think the biggest thing for me is the marketing. I started my business 14 years ago. I wish I would have had Dory back then. I strongly encourage all my colleagues in the med spa industry to reach out to Dory, check out her Platinum CoachMe program. It's worth every penny of it.